Children, how are you all today? Are you all fine? Children, tell me one thing. Did you enjoy doing home planet activity? Did you stitch buttons or not? Very good. I'm so happy. I like you all when you do all my activities. Right? So children, in today's session, I'm going to have a story. Tell me, do you like stories? Very good. So today we are going to enjoy one story of a loving lion. Children, this is the lion, and how this lion becomes loving, we'll see in this story. So are you all ready for the story session? Let us start. So, once upon a time, there was a lion, and his name was Leo. Okay, so Leo the lion came to live in the forest. Initially, this lion was not living in the forest, but once he came to live in the forest. But because he was a lion, everyone was afraid of him. So, this is a lion, and lion is a huge, big, and it is a wild animal, right? So, what does it do? It eats the other creatures. So, everyone was scared of him. So, what happens then? You want to see? He had a very loud growl. Wow! So he used to growl so loudly, and he enjoyed doing it when the birds flew away. Can you see in this picture? These birds are scared when the lion growls. Right? So everyone started getting scared. He had a large body, right? Can you see? And he was happy when animals ran away. When animals used to scared and they ran away, he used to enjoy it. And what happens? Leo the lion was not gentle and loving. This lion was not gentle and loving. Do you like the person who is not gentle and loving? No, right? So, this lion was also not gentle and loving, so no one liked him. None of the animals were his friends. Why he was not getting friends? Because he was scaring others. So, other animals were not liking him. They did not want to be friends. Then he was always alone. Children, do you like to be alone? No, we always need friends around us, right? But this lion was always alone. See, when you are alone, can you feel happy? No, we feel sad because we need some friends. This lion was not having friends because he was not loving, was not caring, and he was so loud and so huge, and he enjoyed scaring others. He wanted to be the king of forest. What he wanted to be? He wanted to be king. But the animals did not agree. Other animals did not want this lion to be the king. Why? Because they do not want any king who is not caring. Right? So, what happened next? Now, one day, Leo the lion saw Hero. Who is Hero? Can you see? He is Hero the hare. Okay. The baby hare. And he had fallen into a pit. Can you see this? This is a pit. What is this? It's a pit. And Hero fell into the pit. And he was scared and he was crying because he could not come out. So what happened? Lion saw him and Leo threw him a big branch. What did Lion do? Leo gave him a branch. What is this, children? It is a branch. He threw a branch into the pit and Hero caught it and climbed out. See, Hero caught the branch and he could come out. Can you see? So what did Leo do? Leo saved Hero, right? So Leo helped Hero and he thought Leo would hurt him. What did Hero think? Hero thought that when he'll come out, Leo will hurt. But Leo did not do that. What did Leo do? Leo gave him flowers and felt very good. Leo gave him flowers. Can you see what Leo is doing? Instead of hurting, Leo is giving flowers to Hare, right? And Hero was happy. He happily hopped away, right? So what did Leo do? Leo helped other animals, right? Now next, what did he do? See, the same evening, a little bird fell out of her nest. Children, can you see what is this? This is a branch of tree. On this branch, what is this? It's a nest. And this tiny little bird fell from the nest, right? So she was very, very tiny. She was so small, right? And she was scared. She could not go up by herself, right? So what did Leo do? Leo the lion put her gently on a leaf and lay her back in the nest. So what did Leo do? Leo took a leaf and pulled the little bird into the leaf, and then he put her back into the nest. So Leo helped the bird, right? So because initially Leo was not loving and caring, but see, now he is learning to help others, right? Same way, the baby bird looked thankful at Leo, right? When somebody helps us, what do? We thank them. Same way, little bird thankfully saw at Leo and he was happy to show care. Huh? So when you help others, when you care for others, you also feel good. The same way, Leo also started feeling good. Over the days, Leo the lion helped Mama deer and found when she was lost. Children, can you see in this picture? There is a Mama deer and it's a found. Baby of a deer is called found. And he was lost somewhere. But Leo the lion helped Mama deer and found out the little one. And can you see? Mama was so happy. When he found the little fawn, the Mama deer did not came near Leo. Mama deer was so happy, but she was scared that Leo may hurt her. So she did not go near to Leo, but she was happy and thankful to him. Right? Now, children, do you see? Lion started helping others. He started loving others. He started caring others. So now what happens next? Let us see. Leo had the honeybees when Bruno Bear was stealing their honey. Children, do you know? bears are fond of honey, and when they see honey, they cannot stop themselves, and they start having honey from the beehive. So bees did not like when someone steals their honey, right? So this bear was stealing their honey, but Leo the lion said, no, you should not do that, and he stopped this bear and helped the bees. The bees gave Leo a bunch of flowers. Who gave bunch of flowers to the Leo? Bees. Yes, because bees were so happy that their honey is saved. So Leo helped them. So in thanks, they gave flowers to the Leo. Now, and these honeybees gave Bruno the bear a little honey every day. So these bees, they promised to give honey to bear every day. So every day they gave little honey to bear, right? So now they were also friends. Initially they were not liking each other, but now after Leo saved their honey, they also became friends. Children, you know, Leo the lion never shared his food with tiger, wolf or fox. Can you see? Who is it? Tiger, wolf and fox. Initially, Leo the lion was so selfish. He did not want to share his food with anyone, right? So he wanted to eat all alone. So it is not good, but he was doing that. So he did not share his food with anyone. But now he learned to help others. He learned to be friends with others. So what did he do, you know? They went hungry. When Leo the lion did not share food with others, what happened to this tiger, lion and tiger, wolf and fox? They were so hungry and they fought each other for food. For food, they were fighting with each other because they were getting very little food. So they were so upset with the lion. But what Leo do, you know? Leo called them one day and asked them to share his food. See, now Leo learned to share food also. See, now here he is ready to share food with his other friends. Leo always gave flowers also. Gave them flowers. So now always he used to share his food with others and he used to give flowers to others. Right? So children, did you see the changes in lion? Initially he was not sharing food, he was not loving, he was not caring, he was not helpful. But now he helps so many animals. Deer, honeybees, bear and hare. Right? So here also he is helping his friends and he started sharing food. Slowly, Leo the lion began to make friends. See children, now the animals who were scared of him, they are no more scared. Now they are enjoying being with lion, right? So they are becoming friends. He did not want to growl loudly to scare anyone. Now lion understood that when he growls and he scares others, others do not like him. So now he stopped doing that. Now he is very polite and nice to others, right? So now everyone wants to be around him because he is not loud. He is very polite and loving. Right? Nobody is scared of him now. Now the animals would call Leo to their homes. See, now other animals started inviting him for dinner. As you go for dinner to your friends, right? As your family go to other families' home, right? The same way now other animals started inviting Leo to their homes, and they started enjoying each other's company, and they played the water hole together. See, they are enjoying playing in the water, right? So everyone started enjoying with lion, right? They started liking Leo the lion, and Leo lion was soon called Leo the loving lion. Now this lion became a loving lion. Leo the loving lion. Come on, repeat after me. Now everyone used to call him Leo the loving lion, right? See, birds, animals, everyone liked him because now he is very loving. Okay, and all the animals loved him and made him the king of forest. See, all the animals started loving him, and what did they do? They made Leo the lion the king of the forest. So, children, what did we learn from the story? We learned that we should always help others, right? We should always be loving, caring, and we should always take care of others. We should always share things with others, and by doing this we can get friends. If we will not do that, we cannot get good friends, right? And without friends we can never be happy. Okay, so moral of the story is spread love everywhere. Okay, I hope you like the story and enjoy this. I'll come back with another very interesting story. Bye bye for now. Take care.